It's now Monday morning. Today's mission is to go to the UK's highest waterfall, which is at 648 metres or feet, I can't remember which one. One of the two. That's where we are, a lovely setting. But I've got an inkling feeling that the waterfall's not actually going to be water falling, unfortunately, so that's meant to be one over there, and there's not a sign of any water coming down, so we'll see. It's about a 10-kilometre walk all in, 5k there, 5k back, so let's see. How clear this water is. Absolutely insane. Minutes to the second waterfall. Quotation marks waterfall.
I couldn't hear it.
Can hear it now. It's all the way down here into the lock over there, and the path up just in front of us there. At the third waterfall now.
Go on, do it. Go on, go on, go on. Oh, I'm scared.
Just over the 2k mark now. This is the current path. Lock's just in the distance over here. It's warm but it's breezy, so we're doing okay. Just gotta hope that this hike's worth, or this view is worth the hike. You can actually see the ocean all the way over there. There's nobody around, I've not seen a single person, which is crazy to me because this place is signposted everywhere. Just over halfway, about 2.7 kilometres. We've come to the second locker just here. Still quite a clear path to follow. Yeah, it's a great sight.
Should go in it.
People are about the 3k mark now. It's the current review. First sight of people as well. It's lovely. 3 kilometres and no people. Gorgeous view though. Not too far to go though. Just over 4k in. So we're on the last stretch now really. I think this is going to be what it leads into it, I'm assuming. We'll see. Almost there now. Oh, this is the top of it, you can't see a lot. Very, very high though, down there. 650 metres or so. Just looking over the edge makes you feel very, very strange. But I'm going to go over, see if we can get a different viewpoint. There she is, ladies and gents. The UK's highest waterfall. 638 metres high.